Yoga has many benefits, including relaxation benefits and energy boosting, and there are some yoga poses that will have you feeling these benefits in just 10 minutes. These include some very basic postures which you can do individually or you can do them in succession. You should begin feeling the benefits of these poses after just 10 minutes. Yoga poses with their movements and deep stretches help to unblock energy channels while also improving muscle tone and increasing stamina. When you practice yoga regularly, you can improve your energy levels drastically. You can also improve your sexual vitality and you will learn better self-discipline. Yoga includes some fantastic breathing exercises and body poses that help to relax your mind and relieve tension, giving you inner peace and calm. You can actually do a quick yoga workout anytime and anywhere, even if you are at home with a new baby or sitting at your office desk. There are some stretches and postures that you can do while driving or while in bed. There are many yoga enthusiasts who use their lunch break to squeeze in some yoga exercises and help give them a boost for the rest of the day. Let's take a look at some lunch hour yoga fitness exercises. 1. Kick back log on pose. Interlock your fingers behind your head and relax your elbows and shoulders. Breathe slowly and stretch your elbows back. Slowly release the tightness. 2. Email meditation. This one you can do while checking your emails. Breathe slowly and focus your attention on the breath. Make the exhale 2 times longer than the inhale. You should feel much calmer after doing some of these. 3. Photocopier stretch. Put your hands on the edge of the photocopier. Stand back with your feet apart. Let your head and chest drop. Breathe and let your shoulders relax. 4. Close the deal warrior pose. Raise your arms up to the side with your fingers pointed. With your right foot, take a big step to the side and bend your knee. Keep your left leg planted and straight. Relax your shoulders and keep the upper body straight and strong. Relax into the stretch and remember to keep breathing. Hold the pose for a few seconds and then return to a standing position. Repeat on the other side. 5. The triangle, yoga for computer users. Stand with your back against the wall with your feet placed 2 or 3 feet apart. Keep your feet firmly on the floor and balance your weight on heels and toes. Stretch your body up and press your shoulders back and let your arms hang at your side. Inhale. As you exhale, slowly bend from the waist and slide your right hand down the right side as far as you can. Keep your hips level and your shoulders back. Your head should be turned to the side so it is at a right angle to the body. Hold this posture for 10 counts, then inhale as you come back up to the starting position. Exhale and then repeat on the other side. Inhale again while you come back up to the starting position. Exhale while you rest for a moment. Inhale and raise your arms slowly to shoulder level with your palms down. Point the right foot to the right at a 90-degree angle and keep the left foot turned in slightly. Exhale as you bend to the right and slide your hand down to your ankle. If you can, touch the ground behind your foot. Keep your hips square against the wall with your left hand and turn your head to look up. Inhale and raise your left arm straight up overhead so that your arms are in a straight line. Keep your hips and torso against the wall and stretch your arms. Hold the posture and breathe evenly for a count of 10. Inhale as you come up. Repeat on the other side.